In this video, we are going to take a look at the Philips Hue Playbar Starter Kit. This set is compatible with the Philips Hue ecosystem through Bluetooth or a bridge. You can buy the lights in both black and white, but the backs of both are black. Each light measures 10 inches long, 1 3/4 inches deep, and 1 3/8 inches tall. It puts out light at 530 lumens in maximum brightness. In the box, you'll find 2 play bars, a power supply, both vertical and horizontal mounts, and the mounts for attaching them to the back of a TV or another surface. The lights share a power supply, but they're still independently controllable. If the built-in 6-foot cables aren't long enough, Philips also sells a 16-foot extension to allow you to place them even further away from the power supply. These are much smaller and sleeker than the box art makes them look, which in my opinion is a good thing. They're perfect for placement on a TV stand, mounted behind a TV, standing vertical, or laying down. They include several stands and adhesive mounts, and the backs are angled to allow the lights to sit in an angle. I didn't really like how the mounts work though, as once you stick them down to something, you can't remove them without peeling off the adhesive. To set up, you just plug the power supply into the play bar, and then you get on the Philips Hue app and go to Lights and click the plus sign. Press search and you should be on your way. If the light doesn't show up right away, you might need the serial number, which is located on the cord of the light. Once it finds the lights, press Start Configuration, give the light a name, and assign it to a room. Once you get the lights set up and added to a room, then you can adjust the brightness and color of each individual play bar. These lights can be controlled through Bluetooth or Hue Bridge. If you want to be able to control them from farther away or when you're out of home, then you'll need the Hue Bridge. If you want to sync the light with content from your TV, then you'll need to set up entertainment zones and have a Hue Play sync box. I think these play bars are really cool. They are a lot more compact than you would think, but they still put out plenty of light, making them great accent lights. I love the different mounting and stand options, minus the way the adhesive works. Let's talk price. They retail for $160, but they can often be found cheaper. The gradient light tube is a little bit more expensive than this model at $180 for the compact and $230 for the large model. With these play bars, you get 2 lights and more flexibility with mounting and different ways to use them. Also, these are more compact than the other lights like the Go, the Iris, or the Bloom. If you have bright lights on in a room, the effect from these is definitely minimized, but it's still there. Also, I notice if you switch from using whites or desaturated colors to darker, fully saturated colors, the perceived brightness drops considerably. Just be aware that this is not a reading or task light. It's a mood light or an accent light or bias lighting for a TV. Overall, I'm really happy with these lights. I think the quality of light is great, they're compact, and they're fairly flexible with how you can use them with the various stands and mounts that are included. Like all things Philips Hue, once you get your first kit, you'll want more and more of these lights to spread them around your home. Thanks for watching this video. If you found value in this content, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. I have more Philips Hue unboxing and reviews that will be uploaded soon. And if you'd like to support the channel, then please consider making purchases with affiliate links in the description below.